Allow me to show you something.
Old friends are turning to strangers. Ex-lovers mad that I'm famous. They see the picture I painted. I've been going through changes. I pray to God and I hate it. Nobody giving no favors. I'm sorry if you can't take it. I've been going through changes.
Welcome people, it's your girl Krissy and I'm back at it again with another video, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my Fulani braids with curly hair, crochet hair. Initially I was gonna actually do some box braids, but it had been a minute and I wasn't about to stretch it, so I ended up getting some crochet hair for this style. And this style, I did this like the night before my trip, so we was rushing. We had to, you know, do what it do. So I had my hair freshly washed in 4 sections, and then I was just parting my hair, the upper part, to where I could do like my braids and my style. And then I was pretty much just parting, just doing my plaits, my cornrows at the back part of my hair. Nothing special, honestly. I did, however, at the end go over the style that I did in the front part of my hair because the beach and everything just had it looking a mess. So I actually did wash it, take down the hair, and did over a new style, which you guys will see at the end. But I'm gonna walk you through what I did at first. So I'm pretty much just braiding down my hair so I could go in with my hair growth serum, because you know you still got to oil your scalp and everything. And then after I did that, I'm just going in trying to do my little styles. So I ended up doing like 4 braids, 2 on the sides, and then I ended up doing like 6 rubber bands, and I thought it came out cute. It was all right. It had been a minute, honestly, since I like actually cornrowed and did like my own hair, so it was like new. It was weird, but I'm getting back in the groove because this summer I'm trying to bust out protective styles left, right, and center. But I ended up using some like braiding like product. I don't even remember what the name of it is, but I feel like it and like my edge control or whatever, it was just creating so much like product buildup and stuff. I don't know what I did wrong. So if y'all can comment down below what y'all be using when y'all doing these styles for like getting not a lot of flakes and, you know, product buildup, then y'all just let me know. But pretty much I just did my little boxies and rubber banded them up, and I just did my twists and connected them and just attached the rubber bands. And after putting up the leave out of my braids, that's how my hair looked. And I'm gonna start on the cornrows, the front style, and pretty much I'm just gonna be using some braiding hair. I think I used the Bobby Boss and I mixed it with was it Freetress? I'm not sure, but I pretty much mixed. I had some black ones and then I had some like blonde ones, so I decided to mix those, and I pretty much just attached it crochet style by just pulling the braiding hair through my needle. And I did kind of ended my braid with a rubber band at the end. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just braiding down my hair and attaching more braiding hair if I need to. I did eventually going back to add some of the curly crochet hair that I bought, so it could be at the end, so I could have like little curly pieces at the end. Y'all will see what I'm talking about. And then I got the Freetress braid, what is it called? Soulful curl, to do the back part. I got it in the color T30 and 1B, I believe. And I thought this hair would be way prettier than it was, but honestly, it had so much volume. It was a lot of hair. It did do really well, like in the beach when it was wet, like the curls was popping and it was flat. But after it was washed and everything, it just over time became very frilly. And I will say it was a high, or it is a high maintenance kind of hair. So for vacation, if you're going into the water a lot, I feel like, yes, this hair definitely works. But if you're not and you're trying to keep it for super long, I would say no, you're going to have to be maintaining it for a long time. So after applying the crochet hair to my braid, which you pretty much know how that works, you just pretty much just pull part of the hair through, and I knot mine about 2 to 3 times. And after I'm done, this is when I actually went back in to add the curly pieces to my hair. After I've reached the length that I want to, I attach some rubber bands, and then I cut the straight regular braiding hair off just to leave the curly pieces. And that's pretty much it. I used some mousse to mousse down my hair. I cut the little straggly pieces off at the end and lay my edges down a little bit, and that was pretty much it. So y'all will see the first style that I did with the 2 braids and then the rubber bands, and then after my trip I came back and I wanted to do it over, and I ended up doing 3 braids this time and the rubber band method. I hope you guys like this video. It's a quick one and I'm just tired of talking, so I'm about to leave y'all, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below if you like the look. Let me know what products you use and what hair you prefer to use too, when you like to use like crochet curly hairs or whatever for this kind of style. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to stay positive and life surprise you, because it will anyways. It's your girl Krissy and I'm signing out. Bye.